What is the Nigerian problem? What is the Igbo problem? What is the Hausa problem? And what is the Yoruba problem? The Igbos want Biafra. The North want the Igbos to leave their land. The Yorubas want the Igbos to leave their land. The Igbos are saying, we have investments in your area and cannot leave them. Governors are sharing bailout funds. Workers are not being paid. Government officials have their children schooling abroad. Ministers and senators are looting your money. The poor Hausa man rides Okada in your place. The poor Igbo man also rides Okada in your place. The poor Yoruba man rides Okada in your place. The poor Hausa man sleeps under the bridge as Amajiri. The poor Yoruba man sleeps under the bridge as Alaye. The poor Igbo man sleeps under the bridge as Aberu. It is pertinent to note that the poor from all ethnic groups in Nigeria have everything in common, and so do the rich. Do not allow the agitation of an Igbo man who lives in the United Kingdom or United States of America for Biafra, for Oduduwa, for an Arewa Republic. Do not allow that to cause the killing of the Igbo man in Adamawa, or the Yoruba man in Onitsha, or the Efik man in Zamfara. The rich hates us all. The Igbo, the Hausa, the Yoruba. It is the conspiracy of the elite that is what is holding us back. Do not allow the Alhaji whose children are living abroad to persuade you to go and start the killing on the streets of Kaduna. The problem in the country is not agitation of any ethnic group, but the unity of the elite and the disunity of the masses. How many times have you taken the agitation to the question your local government chairman? Have you ever done that? Do you know how much your local government actually receives from the federal government? Do you know how much your councillor makes and the responsibilities he has within your local areas? Why have you not asked your governors through your agitations how much they spend on the bailout fund, how much they get from the federal allocation, and how much internal generated revenue they receive? Why have you not asked your governor through the agitation how much they spend? Have you done that? Why have you not agitated against the government official whose mansion you go to beg for help, whose mansion you knew he was nothing but a riffraff 6 months ago before he got into office, who you actually know that he is nothing but a thief? It is, however, sad to note all the governors love themselves, all the past presidents love themselves, all the senators love themselves. All the top government officials love themselves. All the looters love themselves. Why can't you and I love ourselves? Why can't you and I, we are blacks, why can't you and I love ourselves as human? Why can't we combine our efforts and fight them? We have a common enemy. I call them the lutocrats, the elites, They have conspired to make you and I hate ourselves. It is time for you and I to wake up. Why do we fight ourselves, Nigerians? Why? We fight ourselves in so many guise. Why do we allow them the freedom that we don't have? They drive in convoys and chase you and I away from the road that they have not even built. Yet, we will be the same ones to hail them and call them chiefs. We'll be the best one to hail them and call them honorable. How do you and I refer to men and women of dishonorable characters? How do we refer them to as honorable? It is sad. But remember this, a good Nigerian working Nigeria for every single person. A good Nigeria working for every single person could be better than Arewa, Oduduwa, or Biafra. But what if she is not working then? A good Oduduwa, a good Biafra, and a good Arewa is better than unworkable Nigerian. Let Nigeria restructure or allow other nations within it to grow and blossom. This is Njenje Media. Subscribe to the channel.